Hey, welcome back to the Smoke Code, where we bring you the coolest project. Today we are building a smart pet feeder using RTC with Smoke Code. Let's dive in. So first, take a on start node and connect your Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connect. Wi-Fi start. Connect the flow. Add your Wi-Fi credentials. Password. Done. Now let's add SNTP. This block will connect to an NTP server and update our RTC with the correct time. SNTP, set time, connect the flow and add a delay of 10 seconds. The time period is of 10 seconds, so 10. Done. Select the time zone. Indian Standard Time. Now take a on interval. RTC get time. Real time clock. Double tap on it. Here you can see the outputs. So smart pet feeder, we require the hours, minutes and seconds. So we will display it on our serial monitor. Done. So for displaying it on serial monitor, we will require a display node. Connect the flow. Pass the variable. First hours. Colon should be in inverted comma. The output minutes. And seconds. Done. Use the LCD clear. We will display it in our LCD. Double tap on it. Configure its pin. The SCL pin is connected to pin number 19 of ESP32 and SDA pin is connected to pin number 18. Done. LCD print. You just have to copy paste this on our serial. Print. Done. And now we will set the time. So now it's 2:19. So we will set the time at 2:25. This pet feeder will dispense the food items. So now we will use a if condition. Done. Connect the flow. If hours is equals to 14. Done. And if connect the flow minutes is equals to 25. Done. If seconds is less than 3. Done. So now we have set the time. Next we will set up the servo motor to dispense food at specific time. For this we need a servo. Take a servo. Done. Connect the flow. So if the current time matches the feeding time, then the servo will rotate at 0 degree. Then selected pin, the output pin is 4, add, done, or else the servo will be at 90 degree. Done. Use a display. If you want to display it on a serial monitor, else you can directly use the LCD print. The text should be feeding time. Feeding time. And select line number as 1. Done. As you can see, our flow is ready. Verify your flow. Upload. Power up your ESP. Upload. Now it's time to test our creation. Watch as the servo motor rotates at the scheduled time to dispense food for your pet. So let us check the output. So that's it for today's tutorial. You have successfully built a smart pet feeder using RTC with smoke code. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome projects. Thanks for watching.